Excuse me. Do you know what time the next bus arrives?
I think it should be here in about 10 minutes.
Oh, that's good. I was afraid I had missed it.
Where are you heading?
I'm going downtown. How about you?
Same here. I work near the Central Plaza.
Oh, really? I'm going to the library. I need to return some books.
That's great. Do you go there often?
Yes, at least once a week. I love reading.
That's nice. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly mystery and history books. How about you?
I enjoy fiction and self-improvement books.
That's cool. Have you read anything interesting lately?
Yes, I just finished a book about productivity. It was really inspiring.
Sounds interesting. What's the title?
It's called The Power of Habit.
Oh, I've heard about that one. I should check it out.
You definitely should. It changed my perspective on daily habits.
That's great. By the way, do you know if this bus goes to Maple Street?
Yes, it does. You'll need to get off at the 5th stop.
Thanks for the info. I don't take the bus often, so I get confused.
No problem. I take it every day, so I know the routes well.
That's lucky. I usually drive, but my car is in the shop today.
Oh, that's inconvenient. Is it a big repair?
Not really, just a routine checkup.
That's good to hear. At least you don't have to worry too much.
Yeah, but taking the bus is a nice change. Less stressful.
That's true. I enjoy people watching while waiting for the bus.
Me too. You can see so many different kinds of people.
Exactly. It's like a small glimpse into different lives.
Speaking of which, that guy over there seems to be in a hurry.
Yes, he keeps checking his watch. Maybe he has an important meeting.
Possibly. Oh, look. Here comes the bus.
Finally, it took a bit longer than expected.
Yeah, but at least it's here now.
True. Let's get in line.
After you.
Thanks. Do you have your fare ready?
Yes, I have my bus card. What about you?
I need to get some cash out. I forgot to top up my card.
I have some extra coins if you need them.
That's very kind of you. But I think I have enough, Doc.
All right, let's hop on.
Good morning, driver.
Good morning. Where are you headed?
Downtown, please.
Same for me.
Great. That'll be $2.50 each.
Here you go.
And here's my bus card.
All set. Welcome aboard.
Thanks.
Let's find a seat.
Over there, by the window looks good.
Perfect. I love window seats.
Me too. I like watching the city go by.
Same here. It's relaxing.
By the way, do you know how long the ride is?
About 20 minutes.
Not bad. I hope there's no traffic.
Fingers crossed. It's usually smooth at this hour.
That's good. Well, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
You as well.
Oh, one more thing. Do you know if there's a coffee shop near the Central Plaza?
Yes, there's a great one called Bean Haven. It's right next to the bookstore.
That sounds perfect. I might stop by before work.
You should. They have amazing cappuccinos.
Good to know. I love a good cup of coffee in the morning.
Same here. Maybe I'll see you there sometime.
That would be nice. Have a good one.
You too. Take care.
Oh, before I forget, do you know if this bus stops near the art museum?
Yes, it does. You should get off at the 3rd stop.
Perfect. I've been meaning to check out the new exhibition.
That sounds fun. What kind of exhibition is it?
It's a collection of modern abstract paintings. I love art.
That's amazing. I should go sometime too.
You totally should. Well, this is my stop. See you around.
Take care. See you.
Where is Jack going? He is going downtown to return books at the library. What kind of books does Jack like to read? He likes mystery and history books. Why is Jack taking the bus instead of driving? His car is in the shop for a routine checkup. How often does Emma take the bus? She takes the bus every day. How long does Emma say the bus ride will take? About 20 minutes. Why does Jack say taking the bus is a nice change? Because it is less stressful than driving. What does Emma enjoy doing while waiting for the bus? She enjoys people watching. What is the fare for the bus ride? $2.50 each. What does Jack offer Emma at the bus stop? He offers her some extra coins in case she needs them for the fare. Where does Emma work? Near the Central Plaza. What is the name of the coffee shop Jack recommends? Bean Haven. Why does Emma want to visit the coffee shop? She loves a good cup of coffee in the morning. What type of book did Emma recently read? A book about productivity, called The Power of Habit. Why does Emma want to go to the art museum? She wants to check out a modern abstract painting exhibition. Which bus stop should Emma get off at to visit the art museum? The third stop. What does Jack say about the exhibition? He finds it interesting and wants to visit it sometime. What does Jack like about window seats? He enjoys watching the city go by. What does the bus driver say when Jack and Emma board the bus? Good morning. Where are you headed? Does the bus go to Maple Street? Yes, and Jack should get off at the 5th stop. What does Emma say before getting off the bus? See you around.